Hi, you guys. Welcome to Audrey's reading area. Shout out to my grandbabies, all four of them. Yes, Sanaa, Korea, David the Third, and Kaden. I love you guys. Miss you. Mwah. Yes, yes, yes. Well, all right. Alexa, what time is it? I'm late. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:19 p.m.
And I'm supposed to be live at 5.
Announcing.
I'm supposed to be live at 5. I didn't even know it did that. I didn't know it does that. I didn't say anything about announcing. Anyway, you guys, that is the Alexa thingy. Anyway, don't forget to click like. Don't forget to click share. You got to share my videos. Then you got to go to YouTube. Maybe you can do that first, right? Go to YouTube, Audrey's reading area, and smash that subscribe button for me. Smash it up, y'all. Yes. Thursday. It is Thursday. It's supposed to be T-shirt Thursdays. I'll start with the T-shirts again next week. Yes. So we are still recovering from going back to school this week, right? After being off for 2 weeks. It was a good 2 weeks. So listen up. Open up your ears. Open up your eyes. Listen and watch my videos. And you guys already know who this guy is. Scooby-Doo, the big bad blizzard. Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Dooby-Dooby-Doo. It's a scholastic book. Mm-hmm. It says the Mystery Inc. gang is going skiing. But when Scooby and Shaggy sneak off for food, they get caught in a blizzard. Then, yikes, snow monsters start chasing them. It's a scary snowstorm mystery for Scooby and, yeah, Shaggy. All right. All right now. We're going to just jump right into this book, right? All right now. This is by Gail Herman, illustrated by Duendes Seltzer. In case I pronounce it incorrectly, here is the correct spelling and everything. So, yes. By Gail Herman, illustrated by Duendes del Sur. I will read to you. Listen up now, you guys. Alexa, what time is Audrey's reading area? I forgot to say that
Audrey reads in her area
again.
live
L
at 8
I
o'clock
V E.
p.m.
Live at 5 now, y'all. Live. Live at 5. Live at 5. All right, now, listen up. Scooby Doo, Shaggy, and the gang were going skiing. Like that mountain is tall, said Shaggy. Too tall to ski down. Right, Scoob? Right, Shaggy. Right, Raggy. Velma smiled. That's why we're taking lessons, she said. So we can learn how to ski down the mountain safely, Fred added. Hi, a man skidded to a stop. I'm Todd, your teacher. Then teach me how to take these off. Shaggy jiggled his skis. We need to get some chow. You know, he always wants to eat. He said, we need to get some chow. If you finish your lesson, you can eat there. Todd pointed to the top of the mountain. A restaurant sign flashed, tip top treats, all you can eat. Still want to take off your skis? Daphne teased. Roll away, Scooby barked. Todd led the gang past the ski lift. We'll start here, he said. It's for beginners. Mm. Mm. But, Shaggy stammered. That doesn't go to the restaurant. While Velma, Fred, and Daphne waited in line, Shaggy and Scooby sneaked back to the ski lift. Jump up. Jump on up, good buddy, said Shaggy. Next time, lunch. He said, next stop, lunch. Stop, it's too dangerous, shouted Todd. But Shaggy and Scooby didn't hear him. Their stomachs were growling too loudly. Snow began to fall as Shaggy and Scooby rode past the bunny run and past the bear run and the big bear run. One by one, skiers got off the lift. Finally, Shaggy and Scooby reached the top. Like, jump, said Shaggy. The two leaped. They slipped and slid. The snow almost covered a sign that read, Blizzard Alert, all slopes closed. The other skiers turned back. Some skiers yelled at Shaggy and Scooby, turn back! Did you hear something, Scoob, old pal? Scooby shook snow out of his ears. Then he shrugged and peered around. The snow fell harder and faster. It was a blizzard. Like, where is everybody? Asked Shaggy. And where's that all-you-can-eat place? Something strange was going on. Shaggy wiped snow from a sign. Monster Run, he read. Monster? He cried. Run! There's only one way to go, good buddy, Shaggy yelled above the wind, and that's down. Shaggy and Scooby took one step, then another. We're doing it, said Shaggy. Who needs lessons, right, Scoob? Scoob? Scooby-Doo didn't answer. He was staring straight ahead. A giant snow creature floated towards them. Its long arms swung back and forth. Roll, monster! Scooby shouted. Roll, Scooby cried. Roll, monster! Shaggy counted 2, 3, 4. Their loud moans echoed in the wind. Oob, ag, oob, ag. Do you see them with the monsters? The snow monsters? Shaggy and Scooby clutched each other. Their skis bumped and banged. Like, whoa, said Shaggy as they tumbled down, 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 straight into the biggest monsters yet. The creatures bent closer. They reached out with long, sharp arms. Zoinks! Let's get out of here, Shaggy cried. Shaggy and Scooby tried to run. Instead, they rolled and rolled. Oob! Ag! The monsters moaned, following close behind. Oh, yeah. Splat! The Scooby Shaggy snowball hit the bottom. Monster hands scooped away the snow. We're goners, Shaggy groaned. Oob, ag? Shaggy looked at Scooby. Like the monster sounds a little like... The snow monster peeled off a ski mask. Scooby, Shaggy, Velma said more clearly. Velma took off her giant ski gloves and grinned. Velma wasn't a monster. But what about the others? Watch out, Shaggy shouted. 3 snow monsters are chasing us. That's Todd and Fred and Daphne, said Velma. What about those monster arms? Shaggy asked. They're just ski poles, Velma explained. And those monster shapes? Shaggy asked. Backpacks covered in snow, Velma replied. Oh boy. Todd opened his backpack. Rock chocolate, said Scooby. Rock dogs. You kept running away, Todd said, but we were trying to help. What about those really scary creatures and that sign about monsters? Asked Shaggy. Monster Run is the name of the trail, Daphne said. And those other monsters are just trees, Fred added. They were so scared. They didn't even see what was really out there, right? Like, phew, said Shaggy, digging into the hot dogs. Now we can eat. Soon the snow had stopped. Shaggy pointed to the mountaintop. The tip-top treats sign flashed in the sunshine. Ready for another run? He asked Scooby. Scooby-Dooby-Doo! The end. They're on the thing again for a run. Wow. The end. Thanks for listening. Thank you, Mom. I see you. My mom's always here celebrating with me and listening to me read and all this love and support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Mom. Mwah. Mom. Thank y'all. Well, I will. Was this thank you or is that sorry? Sorry. Thank you. Trying to remember my sign language. I have forgotten a lot of it. Anywho, thank you again, Mom. Thanks for being here. Thanks for listening, you guys. Thanks for clicking like. Thanks for clicking share, sharing my videos. And then thanks for going to YouTube, looking for Audrey's Reading Area. And what else? What else? Smashing that subscribe button for me. All right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. I'll see you again tomorrow, right? Live. Live. Live at 5. I'll see you then. And shout out to all of you who share my videos and like my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you here at Audrey's Reading Area.